This Century 21 Real Estate Alliance property video is presented by Rich Kwok. Welcome to your new home, located near Rivermark with inner city living on a residential street. This modern townhouse home style boasts 1,401 square feet of living area with an open floor plan and high ceilings capturing lots of natural light. The well-maintained interiors offer a new standard of comfort and convenience. Upstairs, you will find the spacious master suite with a walk-in closet, a large his/her sink, and a tub. The second great-sized bedroom is located on the same level as the kitchen and dining with a full bath. This home has a separate ground-level family room with a fireplace to cuddle up in front and 2 patios for entertaining. The condo offers plenty of storage space, 2 oversized garages. Surrounding by restaurants, nearby Great Mall, River Oaks Park and many walking trails. Easy access to 880, 101, 237, and BART station. Within walking distance to 3 brand new schools, under construction, in the Santa Clara School District. For more information